So for this tutorial I'm gonna use one light orange medium acrylic yarn and one green for the leaves. Also I'm using a 4mm crochet hook. So I'll start with a slip knot and I'm gonna chain 13. Single crochet in the second chain from the hook, single crochet in the next 4 chains, single crochet together in the next 2 chains, and single crochet in the next 5 chains. Chain 1 for the next row, single crochet in the next 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 single crochet together in the next 2 chains. So insert the hook, pull through, insert in the next stitch, pull through and pull through all, and again single crochet in the next 4 chains. Five chains, sorry, in the next 5 chains. So now next row 3 until row 5 I'm gonna single crochet in every stitch. Row 6, chain 1, 2 single crochet together in single crochet together in the first 2 stitches, single crochet in every stitch, and again we're gonna make 2 single crochet together in the last stitch, 1 single crochet together. So these are the last 2 stitches joined together. chain 1, so row 7 till 10, again single crochet in every stitch, no decrease. So this is row 10. Now row 11 till row 16, we're gonna make chain 1, single crochet together in the first 2 stitches, single crochet in every stitch. We're gonna repeat this row till row 16. So this is the row 16 completed. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna slip stitch around the whole carrot shape before we fasten off. So we're going back this side, so slip stitch into every stitch. And that's it, we fasten off. So now we're gonna see how to make the leaves to finish the shape of the carrots. So I'll join the yarn in the first or in the second stitch. Join the thread. Oops. Chain 1 and single crochet in the same stitch. Okay. I'm gonna chain 9 So here I have a chain 9. I'll go back to where I joined the yarn and I'll slip stitch. Okay. For the next leaf, I'm gonna slip stitch to the next stitch and I'm gonna chain 8. And again slip stitch back. And slip stitch onto the next stitch. And I'm gonna repeat leaf number 1. So I'm gonna do total 5 leaves until I finish. So I'll do the first one, then I'll repeat the second until I get 5 leaves. So this is what you get at the end. This is a simple way of making a carrot. And this is the end result. I hope you liked the video and the tutorial and found it easy to follow. Let me know what you think, and if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section. Until next time, take care, bye bye.